Okay, let's start. Okay, first ingredient is mustard. You need to spread it evenly doon sa crown bun. Okay, yung mustard.
Ayaw niya. Ayaw ni Andeng.
Okay, if you don't want it, you can skip it for now, then wait for the others to finish. Ayun. Spread it. Okay, mustard muna. Mustard. Ay, ayaw ng mustard.
Ayusin lang, ayusin.
Okay, spread it evenly. Okay.
Deng. Okay.
Okay na? Okay, wait for the next step. Okay, it's up to you kung gaano kasarap yung cheeseburger na gagawin niya. Remember, kayo yung kakain niya later. Okay, next step. Put the ketchup. Okay. At the top of the mustard.
Simon, ketchup.
Okay,
You
very
want?
good. Ayaw mo din ng ketchup?
Ayaw din. Ayaw nila eh. Magkapatid din ayaw. Cheese lang.
Just like me, I don't like ketchup din eh.
I like ketchup. Sa amin yung wait, sa sinigang.
Okay. Sabi nila, the more ketchup you will put, mas masarap daw yun.
Yan, may laway na yung ketchup mo.
Sabi nila. Okay, once you're done, please raise your spoon.
Oh, come on.
Ayun.
Raise your spoon.
Okay, wait for the others.
Andeng. Raise your spoon.
Wala mo siya
Ayan mo siya.
Basta may cheese yung cheeseburger mo.
Oo, may cheese yan. May cheese.
Ayan, may isa na lang.
Oh, Charles. Pastor Charles.
Alright. Next step is your onion.
Sino may gusto ng onion? Kung ayaw, okay
Onion.
lang.
Kahit a little bit lang, you want to try?
Opo.
Ayaw talaga. Ayun, si Kuya naglagay ng onion. Yes, that one.
Why do you onion make you cry?
Okay na. Alright, next step is your cheese.
Andeng. Put it. Cheese. Cheese. Ay, ayaw din niya. Give Kuya cheese.
Ayun, very good.
Give na lang at kay Kuya.
Andeng, give na lang kay Kuya yung cheese. Oh, give mo. Bilis.
Give mo na. Yung isa, may clove.
Ayan, give mo kay Kuya.
Alright, that's not finished na. Hindi pa yung finish.
Di pa yan tapos, wag mo na ilalagay. Wala kang burger.
Kulang ba ng important ingredient?
Wala pa yung patty. Patty. Yung patty. Patty.
Mon.
Ayusin mo. Double cheeseburger.
Oh, that's very
Double
cheesy.
cheeseburger. Double cheeseburger.
Ayun. Okay na, ibibigay ni ate yung last ingredient.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
which is
Yan.
the burger
Dapata.
patty.
Dapata. Hey, why Andeng is so patty only?
Pati only kay Andeng.
Why is that patty only?
Gatuon.
So that's not cheeseburger.
Yeah.
That's a regular burger.
Regular burger lang yung nakain niya.
Cheeseburger. That's double cheeseburger. Baliktad.
Okay, once na nalagay na ni ate, you can put the other bun na. Yan. And then clean the paper. Okay, set aside niyo yung mga ingredients, yung mga containers. Yan.
Deng.
And then, put your burger at the middle of the paper. Okay, very good.
At the middle.
Ayan, then wrap it on your way. Okay, but how
Mon,
will you
ay
do
ano,
it?
Charles, baliktad din sa'yo.
Wait lang.
Ba't sa'yo nakaganyan?
Okay, i-wrap nyo kung paano nyo gusto i-wrap yung cheeseburger.
Wrap na.
Patingin
Then,
nyo
wrap
kung
na,
sino yung
then.
pinakamagandang wrap.
Ah,
Wrap ng
Mon, wrap
cheeseburger.
na mon.
Okay, wala mo nang kakain ha.
Wrap na, bilis. Ay, very good ending ah.
Yan, ayusin mo!
Andeng. Wrap mo na, wrap mo. Yan. Very good yan. Yan.
Wait for the
Ah,
others.
please. Remove mo na, sige, remove mo na yan.
Okay, sige, you can remove your gloves na para ma-wrap nyo ng maayos. Kanina nung morning may nag-wrap parang ano yun?
Polvoron.
Parang polvoron. Naging
Ginanon
polvoron.
lang ako. Ginanon.
Oh, pag
Tapos yung alam niyo yun, yung sa kisses, ginanong ganda.
Ay, pinakamagandang wrap daw, dalawang burger daw yan. Ay, very good ending.
Okay, once you're done, please hold it for a while lang. Magka-take tayo ng pictures.